Welcome to Reality Bites Hyderabad. Today we are showing gated community villas. This entire project is facing to Narsingi Road beside D-Mart and Anand Mart, less than 5 minutes to ORR. So right now we are in front of the parking area. It's a two parking area. So let's go quickly enter the villa and have a look. So right now here is a drawing room we are entering. So this is sizing around 15 feet 4 inch by 15 feet 9 inch. So this is a model house, so we have already interiors done to it. So entire villa has 4 bedrooms, 5 washrooms, 2 living areas, big and spacious kitchen, 1 homestead room and terrace lawns. Come on, let's explore more. Now we are covering the home theater. So the home theater size is 23 feet 3 inches by 14 feet 3 inches. So total seating area is 18 plus. So a big family can sit and happily watch a theater movie altogether. This beautiful home theater area is giving access to the deck area where evening serene times can be sit with the family together and enjoy the serene moment. This deck area size is coming as 17 feet 11 inches by 15 feet 7 inches. From the deck area, we are right now entering the living area. From here, you can see the lift and also the stairs. So this stairs entry will give you the access to the first floor. We have 2 bedrooms with attached bathrooms in this floor. So I am exploring the first bedroom here. So you can see. So this bedroom is 15 feet 4 inches by 15 feet 9 inches. And it has a window view. You can see outside, it's a scenic view. And a lot of spacious place is given for the cupboarding. And also you can see attached bathroom, a very spacious one again. Hey, now let's go to the second bedroom in this floor. So this is also one more amazing one. So I will show you now. If you can see, it's a very big bedroom which is given. So with a French window. So this whole bedroom is coming as 17 feet 3 inches by 11 feet 5 inches. It also has an attached bathroom to it. Now let's cover other parts of this floor. So we are entering the puja room here. So you can see the puja room is sizing 4 feet 3 inch by 5 feet 6 inches. And then now we enter the floor where the living area is. So you can see the dining area. And then to the left side you can see the living area. It's a spacious living area given. So this is the full floor which is operational, which has puja room in it, the living area, TV, you can see TV room, dining area, and also it has an open access to the kitchen, beautifully designed by the architect. So when you see this, it's a very spacious L-shaped kitchen where you have the stove and other utilities can be kept very nicely. This kitchen size is coming as 15 feet 10 inch by 14 feet 3 inch. Also the attached utilities coming as 6 feet 5 inch by 4 feet. So I'm covering the utility for you now. Just let's dwell it. Hey, just missed telling you the living and dining area space. So this is around 25 feet 4 inch by 15 feet 3 inch. So now we are entering the second floor of the villa. There's a cute sit out given here. And now you can see we have entered the bedroom. So bedroom is given with an amazing attached balcony with French windows. A beautiful sight to have. So this is where the evenings are, like, this is my favorite part of the whole villa also. They have given this floor almost 2 balconies. So you can see from this balcony I'm able to see the other balcony as well. So let's explore this total floor well. It has been given a lot of space. So this bedroom is almost 20 feet 10 inch by 12 feet 11 inch with an attached bathroom. You can see the bathrooms are also pretty big, and also walk-in closets are given for each bedroom. So now I'm entering the second bedroom through this lobby, and this bedroom has a special feature. I'm covering that feature to you. So we are seeing standing balcony, front view of it. The whole standing balcony is coming as 2 feet by 10 feet. So I'm covering that for you. So this bedroom size is coming as 18 feet 9 inch by 14 feet 3 inch. So now I also am covering the walk-in closet for you and the attached bathroom. It also has been given a wonderful mirror view. So this is the bedroom for you guys. So this whole villa is coming with so many amenities. It has indoor game rooms, office, gymnasium, yoga room, guest suites, rooftop swimming pool, multi-purpose hall, round-the-clock security, CC cameras at the entrance, landscaping gardens, tree-lined avenues, the sewage treatment plant, water treatment and purification, underground cabling, all around a solar fencing, visitors parking areas, 100% power backup. So the entire villa is 4 bedrooms, 5 washrooms, 2 living areas, big spacious kitchen, homesteaders room and terrace lawns. So this is almost 344 square yards and 5200 square built up area. Only 10 villas are available. It's 47 luxurious villas altogether, built up in a 6-acre land. So this property is coming as 11 crore per villa. Hope you like this video. Another wonderful video from Realty Bites Hyderabad. So see you later, and I wish you will subscribe my channel. Thank you.